Hi, I'm Margie. I hope you enjoy this little video we've produced.
How can you avoid having a smart meter? Or get rid of a smart meter? On the EMF Safety Network website, you can peruse story after story of fires, explosions, and deaths associated with the use of smart meters. These apparently untested devices, which we've previously reported, pulse electromagnetic radiation into the walls of the homes to which they're attached, are being installed without people's consent, and without any true guarantee of safety. One thing that has been revealed by people who've tracked smart meter pulses, they are highly variable, explains the site, Stop Smart Meters. Other descriptors, unpredictable, random, very erratic, and even bizarre. One EMF consultant has told us that it is impossible to extract meaningful conclusions about the fields created by the pulses. Among the many health effects documented in conjunction with smart meters, are chronic fatigue, difficulty sleeping, leg cramps, headaches, learning problems, and more. A 2011 study published in the International Journal of Neuroscience also explains how the same kind of electromagnetic radiation, emitted from smart meters, can trigger novel neurological disease. More on the harmful EMF signals emitted by smart meters is available at www.stopsmartmeters.org. Smart meters may also allow your utility company, the local government, and possibly even federal authorities to monitor your utility usage, based on the extensive data they collect about electricity usage. As far as what you can do to avoid having a smart meter installed on your home, or what to do if one has already been installed without your informed consent, the EMF Safety Network recommends taking the following steps. 1. Contact your power utility directly, and instruct them not to install a smart meter. If one has already been installed, order them to remove it and put back the analog meter. 2. Contrary to popular belief, smart meters aren't mandated by the federal government, and federal law requires that power utilities provide customers with a time-based meter that supports a time-based rate, upon request. 3. Attach a signed refusal notice to your analog meter, saying you don't consent to having a smart meter installed. 4. If you already have a smart meter, complain to your Public Utilities Commission or Utility Oversight Board. These and other tips and instructions are available at the EMF Safety Network, www.emfsafetynetwork.org/actionnow.
Did you enjoy that? We hope so, because here at Life Energy Designs, we want to educate you so that you can live the best possible life that you can. Any feedback or anything that you want to say to us, we would love to hear from you. Take care.